Hey guys, I am favorite picture. How great lane effect in Photoshop. Let's get started now. Control J, copy the layer and create a new layer. Go to select panel and select to screen. Click OK. Click OK. Go to filter. Selection. Apply. Vector. Select the opacity. But opacity 441 and down opacity is 54. Click OK. Control L. Click OK. Control T. Control L again. Go to filter. Get tool effect. Click OK. Click OK. Select opacity 3 and click OK. That it up after before Control Shift E there.